In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the mention feature in Slack. If you want to make sure the right people see your message, mentions are one of the most useful tools in Slack. They help you notify an entire channel, the people who are currently active, or just one specific teammate. Knowing when and how to use each option can make your communication much clearer and more effective. To get started, open Slack and click on the channel where you want to send your message. This is important because mentions work within the conversation you are currently in, so you'll want to make sure you're posting in the correct channel before tagging anyone. Once you're in the channel, go down to the message box and click on the @ symbol, or use the Mention Someone button if you see it. This opens the mention options and allows Slack to suggest people or groups you can notify. You can also type the @ symbol directly into the message field, which is often the fastest way to create a mention. If you want to notify everyone in the channel, type @channel. In Slack, this sends a notification to all members of that channel, so it's best used for important updates that everyone truly needs to see. Because this can interrupt a lot of people at once, it's a good idea to use it carefully and only when the message is relevant to the full group. If you only want to notify the people who are currently active in the channel, type @here. This is helpful when you need a quick response from people who are online, without notifying those who are away. It's a great option when the message is timely but doesn't need to alert every single member of the channel. If your goal is to mention just one person on the team, type the @ symbol again and begin entering that person's name. Slack will usually show matching suggestions as you type, and you can select the correct person from the list. This is the best choice when your message only needs one specific person's attention and you want to avoid notifying the whole channel. That's all there is to it. Click into the right channel, use the @ symbol or mention button, and then choose whether you want to notify everyone, only active members, or a single teammate. Using mentions thoughtfully can help keep conversations organized and make sure your messages reach the right audience without creating unnecessary notifications.